This is part of a series where we explore places not just by location, but by feeling, rhythm, and reflective pause. Welcome to the 5-minute series. Bowling isn't something we usually plan for, but it turned out to be a great way to spend time together. We were celebrating Fran Marie's birthday, and playing with family and friends made it even more fun. Everyone had a blast. The venue had 32 lanes, and the staff made us feel right at home with their warm hospitality. The food hit the spot, classic pizza and chicken nuggets, and the best part was it was all you can eat.
is the right one? I think the right one has blue on it. I think